Why are protective relays critical for electrical grid protection? Imagine a power grid without protective relays. When a fault happens, like a short circuit or overload, the entire system could be at risk of damage or even blackout. Protective relays are like the system's early warning and quick response team. They constantly watch electrical parameters such as current, voltage, and frequency. If anything abnormal occurs, they act fast to prevent bigger problems. They send signals to circuit breakers to disconnect the faulty part of the system. This quick action stops damage to transformers, cables, or generators. It also prevents fires and other hazards that could happen if faults go unnoticed. Protective relays are the first line of defense in power systems. They detect faults within milliseconds, limiting the damage and stopping faults from spreading through the grid. Without them, a small fault could turn into a large outage affecting thousands of homes and businesses. They work by receiving input from devices called current transformers and voltage transformers. These step down high voltages and currents to manageable levels so relays can measure them accurately. When the relay sees a value outside preset limits, it sends a trip command to open the circuit breaker. Modern relays use microprocessor-based digital technology. This makes them more precise and faster. They can also communicate with other devices and systems, helping automate grid management. Protective relays are designed to be sensitive enough to detect small faults but selective enough to only disconnect the affected part. They can be primary, acting immediately, or backup, stepping in if the primary relay fails. In power distribution, relays protect key components like transformers, transmission lines, and renewable energy sources such as solar and wind farms. When a fault is detected, they isolate the problem quickly, reducing downtime and keeping power flowing to homes and industries. This quick response is especially important today, as modern grids include many distributed energy resources. In summary, protective relays are essential because they detect faults fast and accurately, isolate damaged sections, and help keep the entire electrical system stable and reliable. They act as the system's vigilant guardians, ensuring that faults do not cause widespread damage or outages.